is the month of Allah.
My dear respected viewers of Madani Channel, today we learn about the importance of fasting on 27th of Rajab Murajjab. The words cannot quantify the excellence of the 27th of Rajab Murajjab. It was the date when the beloved Prophet ﷺ was granted the wonderful miracle of Mi'raj, physical ascension in the exalted court of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. My dear respected viewers, subsequently, there is a great virtue in the fast of 27th of Rajab al-Murajjab. Hence, Sayyidina Salman Farsi radiyallahu ta'ala an has narrated that the noble Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam has said, there is a day and a night in the month of Rajab. If a person fasts during the day and stands for worship in the night, it will be as if he observes fast for 100 years. Subhanallah. And this is the 27th of Rajab. My dear respected viewers of Madani Channel, what a great reward fasting for 100 years. 27th of Rajab al-Murajjab. Sayyidina Abdullah ibn Zubayr radiyallahu ta'ala an has reported, whoever alleviates the stress of some Muslim in the month of Rajab, Allah Azza wa Jal will grant him a palace in paradise which will be as spacious as the furthest limits of sight. Such a big palace. Honor Rajab. Allah Azza wa Jal will honor you with 1,000 virtues. Dear respected viewers of Madani Channel, if you want a reward of 100 years of fasting, then don't miss the fast of 27th of Rajab al-Murajjab. Try to spend that night in worshipping Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala and fast during the day. And if you want a palace in Jannah, then worship in Rajab al-Murajjab. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.